I'm Laura Craig. I'm a scheme project manager in Scotland Railway. We're here back tonight at Port Glasgow station to give you an update on the access for all works that are taking place here. Last time you saw me would have been down at M&S Engineering down at Annan, where we were checking the measurements of the bridge and making sure that all the components fitted together before landing it into place, and that's what we're here to do tonight. This is a huge undertaking tonight. It's a massive piece of work, and to keep everyone safe we've had to close off all station entrances along with Highholme Car Park in conjunction with Inverclyde Council. It's a huge operation to get this bridge into place tonight. For the last 2 days we've had Highholme Car Park shut to allow the delivery of all the steelwork and other components necessary for installation of the bridge tonight. Tonight we're using a 500-ton crane together with a 130-ton crane to lift all the bridge parts into position. We're working through the night to allow us to work with the trains off and the power off to work safely, and by carrying out the works through the night there is no disruption to the passengers. So although the bridge goes in tonight, there's still a lot of work to be done to bring it into passenger use. The station will remain operational as it currently is while that work has been undertaken. There's a lot of hard work and planning going in before tonight's activities to allow the smooth delivery of the scheme. I'm pleased that Network Rail and our principal contractor have worked so well together, and I'm very pleased with the outcome. We'd like to thank our passengers and neighbours for their ongoing support whilst these works are carried out. If you'd like some more information, you can get that online at scotlandrailway.com or on Twitter at Network Rail Scot.